Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into two exciting topics: the $RWT reward program and the testnet that's creating waves. Let's jump right in. First up, let's dive into the world of $RWT rewards. These rewards are meticulously designed to incentivize early adopters and active community members in a meaningful and impactful way. By participating early, users can gain a significant advantage, setting the stage for long-term benefits. As participants engage more deeply in the ecosystem, they earn RWT tokens. These tokens serve as a way of recognizing and rewarding contributions that enhance the network's overall functionality and security. Whether you're a developer, a user, or an advocate, your efforts are acknowledged. RWT holders enjoy a variety of real-world use cases. From transaction discounts to exclusive network privileges, the benefits are designed to be both practical and valuable. Imagine getting discounts on transaction fees or gaining access to exclusive events and services. Holding RWT is more than just a reward. It's a key to unlocking the full potential of the ecosystem. It opens doors to opportunities and privileges that are reserved for the most dedicated and active members. Now let's talk about the testnet. The testnet is a space where developers and participants can experiment freely, without the fear of causing any disruptions to the main net. Here, they can test features and enhance functionalities before they hit the main net. This environment is crucial for identifying bugs, testing new protocols, and ensuring that everything works seamlessly. It's the sandbox that makes sure everything is secure and efficient. Developers can simulate real-world scenarios and stress test the system to its limits. With the testnet, users can also experience a preview of new tools and earn RWT in the process. This incentivizes participation and provides valuable feedback to developers. This is where innovation meets security, ensuring that the platform is ready for real-world applications. The testnet is an essential step in the development cycle, bridging the gap between concept and reality. By fostering a collaborative environment, the testnet allows for continuous improvement and innovation. It's a space where ideas can be tested, refined, and perfected. Security is paramount, and the testnet ensures that all potential vulnerabilities are addressed before any updates are deployed to the mainnet. The success of the testnet translates directly to the robustness of the mainnet, making it a cornerstone of blockchain development. So, whether you're here for the rewards or excited about exploring new features on the testnet, there's something for everyone. Dive into the world of blockchain, where innovation meets opportunity. Join the movement, earn RWT, and be part of this dynamic ecosystem. Discover new possibilities, connect with like-minded individuals, and contribute to the future of decentralized technology. Your journey starts here, and the potential is limitless. Embrace the change and let's build a better tomorrow together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things crypto. See you in the next video.